Hello everyone. I'm going to repurpose some soil, and then I'm going to amend it by putting in some amendments. I'll go over those shortly, and then I'm going to put in or plant my last black zucchini. It may be a little late in the season to do so, but I don't want to throw it away, so I'm going to get it in the ground as soon as I can. As you know, most of my stuff, with a few exceptions, is grown in 5-gallon buckets, and I repurpose the soil all the time. The soil originally was made with cocoa coir, black cow manure, and perlite, and over time I added more amendments to it, such as bone meal, blood meal, magnesium, calcium, and Epsom salt. So what I'm doing today, right now rather, is mixing in my mulch that I always use, which is either pine straw or hay. So I'm mixing that in, breaking up the soil so it can be fluffy. Any large clumps of soil. We've had lots and lots and lots of rain recently, so this is pretty moist, even though it hasn't been in a place where it could get direct rain. Okay, first what I'm going to add is, if I can find it, bone meal. And I'm not going to measure, just going to pour until I think that there's enough. Next is going to be blood meal. Next is going to be a little lime. Epsom salt. And last but not least, perlite. And I'm going to mix all this in. Okay, mixed in fairly well. Next, I'm going to dig a hole. I'm going to stop right here. Add 2 handfuls of bone meal. One handful of blood meal. Epsom salt. Mix it all around. Now we're going to plant the zucchini. Some roots, looking good. Compact the soil around it. Press down. Have a little, I guess you can call it a moat that I've put down so that when I do water it, it waters around in a circle and not directly on the plant. I have 2 stakes. I have to get another one from my supply that I'm going to place around the zucchini. Here we're going to place one here, let's pull this one out a little bit, place it a little bit closer. Place another one probably right here or so that the plant is kind of trapped in. And let me go get that one, and then afterwards I'm going to water it in and put a cage. Okay, here's the finished product. You can see I have a tomato cage around it. I have it on bamboo staked in straw, and it's ready to start growing. I just have to water it in, and I'll do that in a couple seconds. I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching me. Appreciate you watching it. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.